Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we uncover the best products on the market to make your life easier and better. Today, we're diving into the world of better sleep with a game changer, the ZQuiet Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece.
if you're tired of restless nights and disruptive snoring,
You're in for a treat because this might just be the best mouthguard for sleep you've ever encountered.
let's talk about what sets the ZQuiet apart from the rest. First off, it targets the root cause of snoring by slightly advancing your lower jaw, ensuring your airways stay open while you sleep.
This means no more interrupted sleep for you or your partner, just pure, uninterrupted rest.
Now, what I love about the ZQuiet is its inclusivity.
The starter pack comes with not one, but two mouthpieces in different sizes. Whether you need a +2mm or +6mm jaw adjustment, ZQuiet has got you covered.
And trust me, finding the perfect fit is essential for optimal comfort and effectiveness. Speaking of comfort, the ZQuiet is lightweight and flexible, ensuring maximum comfort while you sleep.
Its living hinge technology and open front design allow you to move your jaw freely and even take a sip of water without any hassle.
No more feeling restricted or uncomfortable throughout the night. And let's not forget about quality.
The ZQuiet is dentist designed, FDA cleared, and proudly made in the USA with medical grade materials.
Rest assured,
You're getting a product that's not only effective but also safe and reliable. But don't just take my word for it. Countless users have experienced life-changing results with the ZQuiet. From couples finally getting the rest they deserve to individuals waking up feeling refreshed and energized, the testimonials speak for themselves. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Does it really work? Is it comfortable to wear?
well, let me address some common concerns. While some users may experience initial discomfort, it's important to give your body time to adjust. And as for effectiveness, the majority of users report significant reduction or elimination of snoring. So there you have it, folks. If you're ready to say goodbye to restless nights and hello to peaceful sleep,
The ZQuiet Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece might just be your ticket to a better night's rest. Don't let snoring hold you back any longer. Give yourself and your loved ones the gift of quiet, restful sleep with ZQuiet.
thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on top-notch products like the ZQuiet.
Until next time, sleep tight and dream big.